So today we'll be discussing about share link tools. To do that, we will be scrolling down our navigation bar towards the app marketplace here and search for share link tools. The purpose of share link tools is to share your links for the social media, whether it is Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and so on. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on the specific location or multiple locations as well, and you can do it at the same time. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level now, the specific sub account on which we have installed at the moment. Here we are at the sub account now, and to execute the actions provided by ShareLink tools, we have to move forward towards the automations and create workflow start from scratch. We are in our workflow. Let's check on what value is provided by ShareLink tools. Find for ShareLink. Here we go. These are the actions provided by ShareLink tools. You can just add for Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube. Let's check them all and let's see what addition is provided by them in our automations. First, for the Instagram, you have to post the URL. Copy paste the URL here. After pasting, you can save this action. Now check them all one by one. Go for Twitter. You have to enter the channel name. Let's say Elon Musk is the most famous Twitter account. Pinterest. Copy paste the username and the post name as well. Just give me a moment. The username here, it will be in small letters without space. The post name, save this action as well. Now we will be moving forward towards the next action, that is might be the YouTube, if I'm right. It's TikTok. Copy paste the username and the video ID you want to just share. After pasting both of the things here, you have to save this action. And now there is YouTube left. You have to enter the URL. You have to enter the URL. In the end, you will be finding the video ID. You have to enter that. Save this action as well. And now save the whole. No. Before doing so, you will be adding some notes to check on but how these actions are performing and see the results as well. Add some notes. In the custom values, you will be finding for the ShareLink tools. One by one, you will be just adding the URL, the Twitter URL, the TikTok URL, the Pinterest URL. Whatever you need, you can add in the custom values and it will be same sent as you want. The last but not the least, YouTube is the left. Here we go. Save this action as well, save the whole, and now we'll be testing our workflows. To set an example, we have chosen this contact, run this test, and head towards the execution logs now. One by one, every action will be executed now. As you can see, all of the actions are executed successfully with the nodes. Let's check on the nodes and see it is working correctly or not. Fine for the nodes here. And as you can see, we had chosen the URLs of all the actions that are sent here and with the complete things. And you can just click on the URL and you can share it whenever and whoever you want. This is how it works. You can just create your own use cases, use your own creativity, and it will be endless. So that's how it works. Hope you like it. Thank you so much, guys.